Hello everyone. Let's make an animated welcome slide in PowerPoint. Take a blank slide, go to the Insert tab, select rectangular shape and drag it towards the whole slide. Choose No Outline from the Shape Outline and select Gray Shade from the Shape Fill. Choose a text box from the Shape Format tab and write Welcome. Make it bold and choose Font. Increase the font size. Now go to the Align section. Select Align Center and Align Middle. Draw a text box below and type two PowerPoint tutorials. Make it bold. Select more spacing from the font section and make it to 20. Click on OK. Now select the rectangle. Shift and hold. Select the text one by one and go to Shape Format. Merge Shapes. Select Subtract. At this stage, you need to insert two pictures. Go to the Insert tab, select the picture from your device, make the aspect ratio 16:9, right click on the picture and send to back. Again, insert a picture from your device, make the aspect ratio 16:9, increase the size till the slide and move it apart. Select rectangle, choose no outline, make it to black, drag it to the center of the two pictures. Right click on the second picture and send it to backward. Now select the picture and line together. Click on the animation. Go to add animation. Choose line from the motion path. Now click on effect options and choose left. Make the duration to 6 seconds. Click on the arrow and drag it to the left side where you see the starting point of welcome. Click on the arrow of the second picture and drag it till this point. Make sure the area will be same. Now drag the picture little bit towards the line and this picture to the right side like this. Go to the shape format, shape effects, click on shadow and choose offset center. Click on the slideshow to see the results. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.